education sector consists of many varieties of curriculum. However, the most effective way of leading the education sector to a whole new upgrading level is indeed, and most well-known fact, books. I know, some may wonder, but how can with just books brings high changes in education? Well, that's exactly why I'm here, to give you reasons on how reading can lead to significant transformations in the education sector. Before I begin my speech, I would like to pay my highest regards to the chair of the ceremony, honorable judges, BELTEI management team, and all participants. My name is CHOR SEREYMUNITA from BELTEI International School Campus 18, Prek Eng Market. Today, I'm really excited to present to you a wonderful topic, and that is reading is an important pathway for the transformation of the education sector. Allow me to explain some keywords first. From Oxford Dictionary, the word pathway means a series of actions that can be taken in order to achieve something, as well as the word transformation means a complete change in appearance or character of someone or something, especially so that that thing or person is improved. And lastly, the word education sector means one of the areas where the process of teaching or learning is divided. Now, let's get back to my explanation. The education sector includes reading, and reading improves the basics, such as enhancing children, meaning the more you read, the more you know. But it isn't that simple and shallow, so we're going to dive deep into it. I am going to give you two main points, the important ones, on how reading can lead to significant transformations in the education sector, including the improvement of students and the involvement of books. 1. Cognitive development and enhanced creativity. 2. Expansion of knowledge. Let's begin with the first one, cognitive development and enhanced creativity. The education sector is aimed towards the students' abilities. Reading helps transform the education sector due to containing cognitive development. And it not only helps improve the students' literacy skills, but also helps enhance their cognitive development, creativity, and critical thinking. Yes, reading is a key component of education. Also, it also helps the students and allows them to broaden their perspective as well as gain empathy towards others. In addition, reading can help acquire students to gain new knowledge and gain new insights. Therefore, fostering a culture of reading is essential for the transformation of the education sector. Like such, according to APA, American Psychological Association has stated on November 30th that reading improves the basics and also vocabulary, literacy, language development, as well as increase the understanding of the outside world and culture diversity. Therefore, reading is a really well-known fact for students that we should all take from and learn from, because reading can also develop empathy and emotional intelligence, which are both essential for personal and social skills. In the education sector, reading is particularly important because it is the foundation of learning. By reading, learners can have a wide access to books, articles, and research papers, and other study materials that can help them acquire knowledge and understand about new concepts. Moving on to the second one, expansion of knowledge. Okay, just by the word book itself, we can clearly tell that the expansion of knowledge expands within the hands of books. For instance, BELTEI International School has created a reading competition for the students to better understand more of what they're reading, as well as teach them a lifelong lesson about life, friendship, and other crucial topics. Okay, talking about studies, I don't think we need to think outside the box or anywhere far from this, because schools literally teaches through books. The classroom that everybody studies from in this moment gain educations through them. It's not a surprising fact at all, because reading is the foundation of learning. And also, how could you continue to yourself to your future if even the education sector transforms through books? When you have a strong knowledge base, it's easier to understand new concepts and also solve new problems. Additionally, I've been talking about books for quite a while now, but what about technology? Well, reading is not only made for books, but technology, however, also contains many varieties of articles and research that students can learn from and gain from. In the digital era nowadays, mostly students use technology for playing phones and like computer, video games, but they did not understand the fact that why reading is very essential for them, because in technology, you can use your phone, laptop, iPad to read more about articles and research. In conclusion, reading is really important, and the most important pathway for the transformation of the education sector is indeed and for sure books. Because with reading, we can actually improve and learn, as well as cultivate a creative imagination, critical thinking skills, and also creativity. And let's not forget the fact that reading, thank you.